3 months of windfall, a reality check on investment strategies. Let's talk about the exhilarating and maybe a little scary scenario. Your income has skyrocketed in the past 3 months thanks to your investment strategies. While popping champagne and booking a dream vacation might seem tempting, hold on a minute, because a short term win doesn't guarantee smooth sailing forever. Here's a dose of reality with some tips to navigate this exciting and potentially risky situation. 1. Don't let euphoria cloud your judgment. It's natural to feel euphoric, but remember, past performance doesn't guarantee future results. The market is a fickle beast, and what goes up can just as easily come down. Don't let excitement cloud your judgment and lead to impulsive decisions. 2. Reassess your risk tolerance. This windfall might be a sign that your current investment strategy is riskier than you initially thought you were comfortable with. Take this opportunity to reevaluate your risk tolerance. If your heart was racing during the recent market swings, it might be time to adjust your portfolio allocation to better suit your long-term comfort level. 3. Seek professional guidance. Celebrating is great, but don't forget the importance of seeking professional advice. A financial advisor can help you. Analyze your financial situation. This includes your income, expenses, and long-term goals. Develop a diversified investment plan. Diversification is key to mitigating risk. A good advisor can help you create a plan that spreads your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Choose suitable investment vehicles. They can guide you towards investments that align with your revised risk tolerance and long-term goals. 4. Don't forget about taxes. Before you splurge, remember that Uncle Sam might have his eye on your windfall. Depending on the type of investment and your location, you might face tax implications. Consult a tax advisor to understand potential tax liabilities and ensure you comply with regulations. 5. Invest in yourself. While securing your financial future is crucial, don't neglect your own well-being. Invest in personal development, whether it's pursuing a long-held dream, learning a new skill, or simply taking a well-deserved break. Remember, sustainable wealth creation is a marathon, not a sprint. This short-term gain is exciting, but don't lose sight of your long-term financial goals. By taking a cautious and well-informed approach, you can ensure this golden